Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Pokemon Champions game not working or not loading, lagging, freezing, not launching, crashing, keep stopping or several other issues on iPhone. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first method is to check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to App Store and here you have to search for Pokemon Champions. So search for the game and after that here is the game, and now you have to check if there is any update available. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that go back and try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, you should clear the cache of the game. So for that, go to settings, and after that here you have to click on general, and after that click on iPhone storage, and here you have to search for the game. After searching for the game, click on the arrow icon, and from here you have to click on offload app. So once you have done this, simply click on offload app. Once you have done this, after that check if the game is launching or not. Next method is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you are using mobile data, move to Wi-Fi or do vice versa, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If you are still unable to launch the game, you can install a VPN app. For that, you have to go to the App Store, and after that in the search option you have to search for VPN, and you will get lots of VPN apps. Install any one of it, and after that log into it, change the location, and after that check if the game is launching or working or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game once. So for that, again go to settings, and after that you have to click on iPhone storage over here, and after that search for the game, click on the arrow icon, and from here you can see delete app. So simply click on delete, and then finally click on the delete option over here, so the game will be deleted. After that, again go to App Store, and in the search option search for Pokemon Champions game, and finally click on the install option or download option, and it will be downloaded once again, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.